Visit bookfiber.bsnl.co.in. Enter your name and mobile number. Press on Send OTP button and enter the OTP received on your mobile to complete OTP verification. Enter your email address and then click on Continue to Location button to proceed for choosing the location for installation of fiber connection. Allow location permission in your browser and choose the exact installation location in Maps. Click on Continue Location to select your fiber plan. You may skip this step or complete the plan predictor quiz for evaluating the suitable plan. Choose your preferred plan and proceed for modem selection. Choose your preferred modem and proceed for self-KYC process. Enter your 12-digit Aadhaar No and complete Aadhaar OTP verification. Click on Verify OTP and allow camera permission in your browser to complete the photo verification step. Thereafter, complete the video verification process. In case the Aadhaar address is different from your installation address, kindly upload the necessary proof of address document from the drop-down. Kindly review the booking details and proceed for payment. Enter your preferred mode of payment and complete the payment process. After completing the payment, you'll receive an SMS confirmation containing the tracking link and the details of the BSNL installation executive assigned to your connection. Thank you for choosing BSNL Fiber.